Hello everyone, welcome to my videos. It's been raining here quite a bit, but I was able to find my way into this one. It's all muddy by the front door. So here you get a 3-car garage, but there's another like 2-car garage by itself out there. You walk. Oh, what a mess. So there's the front door. Office. Fireplace. Doors to the back. Appears to be a bedroom. Its own bathroom and closet. A lot of water in here. Master bedroom. A lot of trees in the back. Bathroom. Closet. And you got a wonderful view of the house next door. And then you're still back to back with that bathroom and closet, bedroom combo that we saw earlier. Kitchen has this thing duct hanging down, which will be fixed. Breakfast area, dining room. Garage again. Appears to be the laundry room. Second living room or bonus room. Big fireplace, tall ceiling. Let's see what's upstairs. Small landing area. Oh yeah, that's a lot of nice trees back there. Got a bedroom. Looks like they're just doing all this duct work right now. So this is a bedroom. And that appears to be a Jack and Jill bathroom. No, it's not a Jack and Jill, that's its own bathroom. Then got a closet here. Make sure I don't trip over this stuff. So this is a bonus room up here. It's another bedroom. So there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up here. Making this a 4-bedroom house. Now it's time for me to leave. Oh, those are not very thick stairs at all. I think I almost fell through. Do I want to go out back, or is it too muddy? It's probably too muddy to go back there. Well, I'm out anyway, so. I'm not going to go in back in those weeds. That's what the house looks like back here. Looks bigger on the back than the front, doesn't it? Alright, I guess that's all I can show you, so enjoy, have a nice day. Bye.